Hi guys! Today's video may bago na naman tayong Lipswatch. Kasi may bagong release ang Maybelline Philippines. I am talking about the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Bagong labas to sa Pinas, pero it's like out there na sa ibang bansa for like a year or so. Alam niyo naman tayo, palagi tayong late. Anyway, itong Lifter Gloss daw ay obviously it's a lip gloss, pero meron siyang hyaluronic acid, XL wand, and comfortable wear for hydrated, fuller looking lips. It's their most hydrating gloss daw ever. So dito sa Pinas, merong 6 shades na nilabas ang Maybelline, pero I only got 5 kasi yung isa hindi ko kinuha kasi parang it's like super light. Na parang feeling ko sayang lang pag kinuha ko yun kasi hindi ko naman siya gagamitin. Kasi nanonood na ako ng mga swatches from international YouTubers. So parang feeling ko hindi effect sa akin yung isa na yun. I got this for 349 each. Each yun na. Pero parang meron silang bundle kineme. Anyway, without further chika, let's start. Let's start with the shade Moon. So, ayan ang kanyang effect. By the way guys, ang cute ang packaging. Kamukha siya nung cushion lip tint yung nirelease nila before this one. Pero nude yung handle and it looks really classy. Day XL nga yung applicator. Day, So this is the shade Moon swatched on my hand and it's kind of clear, you guys. Meron siyang hint of nude, pero clear. And this is what it looks like on my lips. Well, it does kind of give you the illusion na meron kang plumper lips because of, you know, the sheen, not the sheen, because of the gloss. Pero wala akong nararamdamang like tingling sensation, tingling effect na meron dun sa Detail Cosmetics na lip plumper gloss. Ito, lang, sakto lang. Wala siyang parang minty feel. It smells like candy. So yeah, this is Moon. Next, let's go for 004 Silk. So this is Silk compared to Moon, and obviously sobrang layo kasi si Moon is more on the clearer side pero napaka-opaque nitong Sia Silk. And this is Silk on my lips. Damn, ang ganda, damn. Sobrang bongga ng glossy effect niya. Parang ang plump nga ng lips mo. Pero hindi nga siya katulad nung sa Detail Cosmetics na merong parang, alam mo yun, slight irritant to like plump your lips. This one, it's more on the illusion. Kinda like this one. This is so, alam mo yun, nakaka-fresh lang. And really good for everyday. And parang feeling ko bagay sa lahat ng skin tone. So yeah, this is 004 Silk. Next, we have 005 Petal. Ayan ang kanyang shade. So, this is Petal. Ngayon, etong si Silk, more on, ano siya, pinky peachy. Pero etong si Petal, para siyang warm pink talaga. And this is Petal on my lips. Mas more on mapinky nga siya. And you guys, this lip gloss is not lightweight. Okay? Hindi siya manipis. Hindi siya magaan. It's really rich, creamy, and thick. Na pag nilagay mo, parang medyo ma-warm feel pa. Pero depende pa rin sa dami ng ilalagay mo, syempre. Baka naman ikaw yung tipo na yung isang dip lang na yon okay na for your entire lips. Hindi mo na like, alam mo yun, ino-overline or in-exage any part of your lips. O di naman kaya ikaw yung isang glide lang na ganon and then you're just gonna pucker. Depende pa rin sa'yo. Pero ako kasi, itong in-apply ko is full capacity, full pack-on. Not necessarily 2 layers, pero alam mo yun, I really filled my entire lips. So yeah, this is Petal. Ganda rin ito, Doy. So that is 005. Yung hindi ko kinuha is 006 Reef. Now let's move on to 007 Amber. And eto siya. Ooh, nudie dye. Alright guys, so this is Amber and sisterette siya ni Moon. It's more on the clearer side. It's not as opaque as these two. And this is Amber on my lips. Okay, in person, nude siya, pero ma-peachy with a little bit of orange undertone. Kung ito is solid liquid lipstick, I would have to say na ito yung parang, alam yung peachy na medyo makalawang. Pero since it's a gloss, it's a little bit more forgiving. Mukha ka lang, alam mo yun, nudie fresh. Pero dahil medyo matingkad nga siya, Hindi ko sure kung yung mga super duper deep morenas natin, mapupusuan yung ganite. Pero dahil on the clearer side siya, not really like super duper opaque, magdidepende pa rin sa color ng lips mo, ano yung kalalabasan niya. Kasi somehow, nakikita ko pa rin yung, alam mo yun, yung real color ng lips ko. Or pwede mong gamitin to as a topper on whatever matte lipstick or matte liquid lipstick. So yeah, this is Amber. And our last but definitely not the least, 008 Stone. Para siyang deeper ni Amber. Dahil eto siya ng isang tip lang and then nagpucker lang ako. So alam mo yun, depende sa'yo kung gaano mo kagusto yung illusion na ang kapal-kapal ng lips mo. Mala Angelina Jolie. I wanna add a little bit more. Para makita natin yung full capacity. So guys, eto si Stone. As you can see, si Amber is ma-peachy. Pero si Stone is a really warm brown nude shade. And this is Stone on my lips. Eto talaga, solid nude shade na glossy. Pero it's also on the clearer side. Hindi siya like sing opaque nitong dalawa. Ba't ganun? So ano, dalawa lang yung super duper opaque. Pero ang ganda rin niya, dai. Ang ganda talaga ng effect. Maganda siya nang manipis lang yung layer, pero mas maganda siya kapag ka, alam mo yun, i-full pack mo talaga. So yeah, this is Stone. Again guys, recap tayo ng shade. This is Moon, this is Silk, Petal, Amber, and Stone. Ayan ang kanilang difference. Overall thoughts, you guys, I like it. I really like the glossy effect. Pero again, medyo ano siya, really thick and warm kapag ka in-apply mo sa lips mo. Hindi siya yung parang refreshing type of gloss. It's so creamy and madulas. Pero hindi naman oily, alam mo yun. Hindi malagkit. Pero ramdam mo na meron kang suot. Alam mo yung ganun. Baka kasi mamaya deal breaker sa'yo yung ganun. But if it's not, then I do recommend that you try etong lifter gloss. It's not like the other lip plumper na merong minty tingling sensation. It will just give you an illusion na you have a plumper lips because of the gloss, because of the sheen. I love it. I love them. Pero ang pinaka-favorite ko, siguro si Stone and si Petal. And okay, si ano na rin. Etong tatlo, si Silk, si Petal, and si Stone. Although mamili ka dun sa dalawang pink ka kung more on peachy pink ka or warm pink. And mamili ka rin pala dito if you're on the peachy brown or like warm brown. Anyways, that's it for today's video guys. Sana nakatulong ulit ako sa inyo in picking the best color for you. Next video natin dahil Lipswatch na naman dahil. Hindi ko rin alam bakit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching guys and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!